What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today. What we're going to be looking at is the Bitcoin beam chart indicator. And this is a good one for us because being in a 24-hour a day market, there's a lot of shakeouts, there's a lot of fake outs back and forth. And what you want to do, the way to be the most successful in this market is to step back and size up the entire market. So when we're taking a look at this beam chart, I want to give you just quick information on it so you know what I'm talking about, that I'm going to give you my opinion on it. So for the beam indicator, BEAM stands for Bitcoin Economics Adaptive Multiple. BEAM divides the price of Bitcoin at any given moment to a moving average of past prices. Like the mirror multiple, the purpose of this chart is to indicate if Bitcoin is under or overvalued, or essentially fair valued at any given time. There are three zones to pay attention to. The first one is going to be the green buy zone. The second one is going to be the red sell zone. And then the gray zone is going to be the hodl zone. So when we're taking a look at this, guys, and we're going up, we're going to be looking at the price here, or the price action essentially from this beam indicator. And in 2017, parabolic move all the way up into this short zone. And this was a great time to sell. So basically, anytime you get close to this red or into the red, that's when you want to be selling your Bitcoin, essentially, if you're trading it or you're position trading it. Anytime you're in the green, those are great buying opportunities. And then when we're in the black here, or gray, they say, this is going to be when you just want to hold or hodl. Now, this isn't a perfect chart because in 2021, here we did not get up into the red. And what we had was that diminishing market cycle. We just didn't have the same parabolic gains, that explosive blow off top. We had more of a double top type deal. So in 2017, we got up to around 110. In 2021, we got up to 0.74. And then so far, our highest number that we've gotten to is 0.37 as of now. So you can see we're in this black zone, or this gray zone, this hodl zone. And in my opinion, guys, we may not even make it as high as we made it in 2021, that 0.74. But where we're at now, being at this 0.35, this could show that we still have more room to run in this market cycle, because I would anticipate, and this is just my opinion on it, that we would get up above this 0.50 line and then maybe up above that a little bit more, because I do believe in diminishing market cycles. It's a thing. It's just the fact of the matter. As the market gets bigger, it takes a lot more money to get those multiple or those explosive gains. But for me, when I'm taking a look at this in this beam, and I can see that we're just slightly, obviously we've been out of it for a while, but we've chopped around in this range here. We've been anywhere from 31, 35 down to about 0.17, just chopping around here. We have not had that final explosive kick yet. Even back in here, you get that straight line move, and we have not experienced that yet, especially on this chart here. So in my opinion, this just shows, stepping back, that we still potentially could have more time in this bull market, and we just have to see. Remember, Bitcoin is the leader. That's the most important thing. Bitcoin needs to still go higher, or at least chop sideways, for the altcoins to be able to have their turn to run as well. But, guys, this is what I want to bring you quick here. We are in that gray zone right now. We're in that hodl zone, potentially looking for higher prices in the weeks and months to come. God bless each and every one of you. Take care, my friends.